Welcome back, guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you the powerful commands. These commands also used in cybersecurity, also used to find out whether you have a malware on your system, on your PC. You can also use these commands. These are PowerShell commands. So today we are going to start with a get. We are going to start with this. It is called get. Go open PowerShell. First of all, go here, type PowerShell. If you have Windows 11, write PowerShell like this, then open it as administrator. So after opening, it may be difficult. The color, it may not be the same, because you can change all the properties by clicking here. If properties, you can set up all the colors. So you can do that if you want your PowerShell also to look like mine. So what I'm going to do is, but guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. I'm going to write this get process. This is our first command. Get process. This it lists all what we call the running process. For example, you want to know what hidden software that is also running on your PC. So you can use this to see the hidden software. It is a git-process. So you can see what software that is also running without knowing. So let me press enter. So this is now the software that is current running on my system. Also, you can see the ID, the CPU, the percentage, because most time virus or malware, they tend to use a lot of RAM. So you can also see unknown software that you don't know. You check on, for example, I have Chrome that I know. So that is how also to know what kind of hidden software is running. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to also remove, if you find the unknown software running on your machine without knowing. So do not forget to subscribe. You can use get process to list all the running process. Sometimes you find out there is hidden malware, there is a hidden virus that is running, and you cannot notice, but you can, when you use this process, you can find it. So the command is git minus process. Try it, because this is also, you need also to know this for the cyber reasons. Try this git process. Also, it is the same command, but this is for education purpose. It is the same command used by the hackers when they target another machine to find out what kind of software is running on that particular machine or the victim's computer. But do not try to use this on other people's machine if they don't give you any access or a permission to act this. So we shall meet in the next video. Guys, let us subscribe. Let us subscribe. Cybercode AI, this is our channel. You can find out all. Let us subscribe to support the channel.